Hello, I'm John McMillan, and at Shockwave Motors, we make electric cars cool by providing a high-performance, all-electric Roadster that's economical, pollution-free, safe, and fun to drive. And we designed the Roadster with the commuter in mind, so we're not trying to be all things to all people. So it's got a top speed of around 75 miles an hour. It seats 3, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. Hard top convertible, so the top lifts right off. With that off, you'll see a roll bar protection system, seat belts, shoulder harnesses, rear crumple zones, and what we call a passive crash avoidance system. So what really sets us apart, though, is the Roadster plugs into any standard 120-volt outlet anywhere for a complete recharge in about 8 hours. No other electric vehicle on the road today can do that. I've got to have special level 2 chargers, 220-volt systems, and so forth. So we just focused on the range anxiety issue, providing convenience and ease of use. At Shockwave Motors, we believe the future is electric. Join with us and let's build that future together.